brand spanking new Ford F-150. I'm gonna take this on a road trip, but I'm gonna show you how to take a center speaker out, which this does have. The last one did not. So pop this guy out. Look, no tools, except maybe for a 7mm after we pop these guys out. There you go. Here's your paper center speaker. Let's get it out. The drill gonna fit. So we have to revert to hand tools. Wrong way. Now that is funny. The clip is bigger than the speaker, just about. So that's your factory part number, but we'll find aftermarkets. That's with the aftermarket ones. Just get a nice pair of Kenwoods and a Lexus. Maybe we'll put them in here. 2.5s. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.